how do I improve my Google My Business ranking? This is probably the most common question that I hear from business owners. It's not that easy to improve your ranking because if it was, everyone would be on top of Google. So it's difficult. Now, what does it take to actually improve your ranking? So it takes several things, and it might get pretty complex at times. I'm now looking at the search results for top real estate companies in New York, and we can see there are a few companies ranked high on the top, but there are so many more that are literally on the bottom of the search results page. Now, what do we do about this? Let's take a look at this. For example, this one, a real estate agency in New York. Now let's see what they currently have on their page. I can see right away that they don't even have a section for describing their services. The about section is just not there. They do have their services listed, but that's it. Now let's go to the update section. And here's what we have here. Their most recent post has been made in April 2021. This is a very old post, and they're clearly not posting anything frequently. So Google loves active businesses. There's just absolutely no chance for businesses that are not active, that are not keeping their page updated, to be listed high in the top on the search results. That's just not possible. Google rewards active businesses. Google wants to show active businesses to people. So if you can keep your page active by posting regularly, this is what you should do, because that's half of what you need to do. Now, the other part, in order to get yourself ranked well, your business on Google Maps, is to actually have your business mentioned everywhere. Google not only looks at what you have on your page, but Google also looks what other people and businesses are talking about you. So you want to have information about your business everywhere. Most of the time, I recommend doing this through publishing news. Anything that's happening in your niche, publish it as a news release. Anything that has happened in your business, you got your 1,000th client, publish it. Let the world know about this. The more news kind of content you have online, the better your authority. The higher your authority, the better your ranking results. If you need help with ranking, I would be happy to take a look at what you have and see how and if I could help. Here's to you getting more clients. I hope this helps.